Yes people, and welcome back to AJ Cars and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be changing the starter motor on this MK4 GOLF GTI, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get straight into it. Now if you're ever wondering what it's like to not have a working starter motor, it looks like this. And it does nothing. Now my engine bay is kind of shaved down, but as you can see, this here is your starter motor. So in order to get to that, we need to get this out. To get this out, we need to take off this 10mm for the positive terminal and this 10mm for the negative terminal, and then we can go ahead and take out these 13mm down here for the brackets. We can take this whole unit out as well. But before we get into the video, I want to talk to you about TopDon. Now TopDon is a company that makes loads of products ranging from code scanners, jump packs and battery testers. But today we're going to be talking about TopDon's Top Scan. Now Top Scan is a code reader for your car that can tell you what is exactly wrong with your car in a matter of seconds, and it can be a really handy tool to have if you don't know what is exactly wrong with your car. It has helped me a few times and they're really easy to set up. Now all you need to do is head over to the App Store and download Top Guru. Top Guru should be the first one that pops up. Click the download. Once that's downloaded, you should be able to open it up and it will bring you to the login page. Now once you've made an account, all you need to do is select which model it is, so it's a car or a bike, and then you need to follow the instructions on the screen. Very simple. All you really need to do is plug in the scanner to your OBD port, just like this, and then wait for the green light to show, just to know it's working. It will automatically find your VIN number for the car, then you just click activate and you're in. Now you can use all of their diagnostics tools. All you need to do is find out which your car is. Of course this is a Volkswagen I'm using this on, so I need to go down, find Volkswagen and click download on that file. Once that is installed, you should be good to go to use all of their tools inside Top Scan. Now you just need to select your model of car. Of course mine is a 2003. Then you need to find your engine model and then press OK, and your car is ready to go. Now you can use the scan tools. I clicked auto scan and it will run a fault read on your car. Of course this is what it found. All I need to do is clear the DTCs, and once you've done that, all your faults will be gone. And just like that, all of your codes are cleared and you are free of all your lights on your dash. So if you want to get a Top Scan from TopDon, I'll leave all their details in the description down below. Thank you again to TopDon for sponsoring this video. Let's get straight back into it. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the terminals for the battery. I'm taking off the positive and the negative. You have those terminals disconnected, you need to take out this terminal right here to disconnect here. Once you've taken off that terminal, you can slowly pry away the wiring and then pull your battery out. Then you have 4 terminals and mine are not looking in the best condition, unfortunately, so that's going to be fun. So 4 terminals you need to take out to get this tray out. So now you've got your tray out, now you can see the starter motor. Now what we need to do is we need to take this cap off here, and that'll open up a 13mm nut. Then you can take this terminal out, then you're going to have to unplug this plug and then this plug right here. Now once you've got all that wiring unplugged, you have a little cap that it all sits in. I just pulled it out, pulled that up, and now as you can see there's a 13mm just here. You'll have to take that out next. And once you have that 13mm out, you have to get this right just here. It's an 18mm nut. Well, it's actually a bolt. It's a big long bolt that runs all the way through, so you'll have to unscrew that quite a way. Probably going to be the most difficult part to get to. Now as you can see there's a bracket here. Now on the other end where the tip of my finger is, there is a 13mm nut. That's going to be the most difficult part to get to, so you have to get a long extension all the way down here onto that 13mm and take that out. I don't have arch liners, so it's actually really convenient because as you can see there is your nut just there. Now the final part, which is another difficult part, is exactly where you've just took that 13mm off. Just under here is an 18mm, same as the top bolt, a big long bolt, and that is your final bolt to take out. Have your old starter. I mean, it's probably this that caused it to fail. I mean, look at the state of that. And there you have your old starter motor. It's probably that caused it. Look at the state of that wiring. God. Right, it's time to put the new one in. Yeah, that is what it's supposed to look like, and that is what mine looked like. Oh God. Look at the difference. That is shocking. Now, all you need to do is reverse the entire process. Let's get to it. Final touch, the battery. Make sure you get it the right way around, kids. The moment of truth. Ignore that. That's the compressor for the air suspension. Like a dream. So people, that is how you change a starter motor on your Mark 4 Golf GTI. That compressor is still going off. Either way, that is how you change your starter motor on your Mark 4 Golf GTI. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.